Greetings, everybody. We are on lesson 9.2, which is talking about dealer's cost. You will need, again, your notes, pencil calculator, and pause when you need it. And you learned in lesson 9.1, you learned that the vehicle dealers place a sticker price on new vehicles. In order to make a profit, the dealer pays less than the sticker price for both the basic vehicle and options. Internet sites show the sticker price and the invoice price or the dealer's cost of the vehicle. So, the objective today is to calculate the dealer's cost of a new vehicle. So the dealer's cost is the percent, okay? It's the price the dealer actually pays for the vehicle, usually expressed as a percent of the base price plus the percent of the options plus the destination charge. So all of those are the dealer's price, and then they sell it for the sticker price. So here is the formula for you to write down in your notes. I have kind of started it, but you will need to finish it. So it's the dealer's cost is the percent of the base price plus percent of the options price plus the destination charge. So please fill in those words so you have the formula. Below the formula, we have an example. A pickup truck sticker shows the price value of $41,036 with the options totaling $2,425 and the destination charge of $850. So, Consumer Reports for the dealer cost of 87.7% of the base price and 90.2% of the options. So usually, I don't know if I've ever seen anything different. If you need to find a percent of a number, we're always multiplying. Okay, we've been doing a lot of things with percent of the number. So we need to find the percent of this number. Okay, so the one thing you're going to have to do when you do this worksheet is you're going to have to write some numbers down as you go and then add them up in the end. So you can see here, what did they do to find the percent? They multiplied, wrote it down, added. Here is the dealer's price, okay? And then you can see here's the sticker price. So let's do some of that together. So the book has a nice example with this chart. We are going to not do those, but we're going to look at these three. And good and bad about the chart is it just says here's the base price times that, options times this. So that's the most difficult part, I believe, of this. As maybe I shouldn't have erased these already. But when you're doing your work, you will have to figure out what matches with what, okay? So you will have to figure out that the base price is this, and the base price goes with this percent. And this goes with that percent. That is going to be the most challenging part of this assignment. So if I look at example 3, it kind of lays it out nice. If I am taking 25 times 85%, now unfortunately the chart doesn't have a place to write that, but I would get 21,930 plus multiply 2,200 times 88%. And I'm going to get 1,936 plus my destination charge. I am going to get 24,526. Now, maybe you want to practice multiplying and adding. So you could pause the video, do number 4 and 5, and then unpause the video and get the answers. So this is 38, 243, and 46, 615, 85. Oops, and I forgot up here There's the 10 cents left with that one. So if you got these answers, great. That's the most challenging part, is going to figure out which these go together and which two these go together. So you can go ahead and complete the practice. Hope you're having a great day.